Si Mochi, masayahin siyang bata. Mahilig siyang mag-books kahit di pa siya marunong magbasa. And mabait. So far, siya talaga pinakamabait.
Sana lang.
Sana.
And so far, nakikita ko naman na magiging kasing bait ko siya. Kasi kamukha ko siya eh.
I wanna share my life with you, 'cause you're an angel in disguise. I swear I don't want any other, and I have wings when I'm with you, my love. And I wanna fly away with you out of the cityscape, where no one is but you and I. Make a home in the sky, and I'll hold on to the wings on your back. You're my angel in the flesh. I'll part the clouds to make our bed. It's all I look back to the past.
Gustong-gusto niya sa office ko kasi yung computer ko tsaka yung mga toys ko doon, ginugulo niya lahat. Ayun, na-surprise talaga kami kasi unexpected siya. Pero very welcome naman siya.
Yes, sobra.
Wish I remember what was said that night.
Si Mochi kasi is unexpected. Pero siya pala yung complete sa family. Hindi namin alam na may missing pa. Kasi hindi naman namin na-feel. Pero nung dumating siya, kompleto na.
They never last. Holding on to moments of the past. Maybe if I could take a picture, then they might just stay. I look at that picture when the memory starts to fade. Now I look at that picture when the memory starts to fade. Yeah, I look at that picture when the memory starts to fade. I look back.
Tiyakin nga ninyo na sa inyong mga ginagawa at sinasabi na sa pamamagitan ng panalangin, mga halimbawa at mabubuting kaaralan ay madala siya sa pag-ibig at pangangalaga ng ating Panginoon.
I wish I remember what was said that night. Oh,
Tayo nawa ang patuloy na mag-iingat sa batang ito. Gabayan niyo po siya. Amen. Palakpakan po natin si Luke Timothy na ngayon ay inihandog na ng kanyang mga magulang sa ating Panginoon.
my head, they never last. Holding on to moments of the past. Maybe if I could take a picture, then they might just stay. I look at that picture when the memory starts to fade. Now I look at that picture when the memory starts to fade. Look at that picture when the memory starts to fade. Take a look back, what will I find?
Huwag magpapayak ng mga babae.
Yes.
Huwag mag-girlfriend agad. Tulad ni Daddy. Yung path mo is malinaw
Clear,
sa'yo.
yes. Oo.
At syempre, sana maging malapit ka sa Diyos.
See your face like it looked back then.
Ang prayer ko, maging mabuting tao. Maging mabait, maging marespeto sa lahat. Ayun, maging mabuting Kristiyano.
Happy birthday, Mochi!
We love you!